How to fix camera error cannot connect. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your camera problem. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Settings app and scroll below and search for Apps. Here at the top search bar, search for Camera. Tap onto it and tap onto its storage. If you have any cache, just tap on Clear, and if not, tap on Clear Data. Also be noted that if you delete the data, it will include all your files, settings, and your account databases. If you'd still like to continue, then tap on Delete. Now go back to the page and here tap on Force Stop. Here tap on OK. Then under Apps, tap on three-dot icon and tap on Reset App Preferences. Tap on Reset. Now restart your device and this shall fix your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.